Of warnings in the beauty sector lately. Coty, L'Oreal, Estee Lauder, and Ulta Beauty all warning investors in recent weeks about a sales slowdown. We'll call it cautious commentary. Meantime, DTC pioneer Glossier just celebrating its 10-year anniversary. Its CEO said recently the company's profitable. So joining us now in an exclusive interview is Glossier CEO Kyle Leahy. Kyle, it's great to have you here on set. Welcome.
So nice to be here, Morgan. Thanks, John.
So I do want to start with that, the cautious commentary regarding a slowdown in beauty spending by consumers. Are you seeing that?
Well, we're happy to be celebrating Glossier's 10-year anniversary this year with incredible resilience for the brand. And while it certainly is a dynamic and very challenging consumer marketplace out there, we are continuing to see nice improvement in our business. We're at record high revenue levels. We've shown 80% retail sales growth over the last 3 years, and as you mentioned, are now profitable. So continuing to see, I think, the most momentum we've ever seen for the brand. And I think we've done that because we have diversification in our business. We're a multi-category beauty brand, so we have makeup, skincare, and fragrance, which gives us that diversification to really play into where growth is happening into the marketplace and be able to mitigate risk and drive growth go forward, as well as it's an omni-channel strategy that we've activated over the last few years, which also creates that level of diversification from a channel perspective.
Yeah, you sell into Sephora brick and mortar stores as well. You just mentioned fragrance. Your first fragrance was a smash hit. You've just launched 2 more in the last couple of weeks. How's it going?
Yeah, it's been an incredible, record-breaking launch for us in our new fragrance, Impressions of You. So Glossier is unique at this size and scale for us to be a multi-category or multi-acts brand. We have makeup, skincare, fragrance, a burgeoning body business, merch. So in many regards, we serve as a lifestyle brand in beauty. And our fragrance, Glossier You, launched in 2017. So we've had a nice runway of success building in that fragrance over the last few years. When we launched at Sephora last year, it was the #1 fragrance at Sephora and continues to be so. We see a bottle of Glossier You sold every 20 seconds. So we saw that there was a true indicator of demand for this fragrance, and I think it's not by accident. It's truly a skin enhancer, so it smells a little different on everyone. And I think when you look at this high growth segment of the market, fragrance has been one of the most resilient and highest growth pieces of the market in the last few years. Plus what's happening culturally and generationally, Glossier You really fits into that. So we've expanded upon that fragrance portfolio with the launch of 2 new scents. 10 years into our brand, we're now seeing that this was the highest record-breaking product launch for us as a brand. 50% above forecast, and we're seeing 25% new to brand consumers. So a lot of pent-up demand. We saw the majority of that happen actually between midnight and 9 a.m. So a lot of consumers looking for fragrance from Glossier, and we have a lot of runway for growth into the future in fragrance.
It seems like the only thing the American consumer loves more than a takedown is a comeback story, and it seems like you might be in that space right now. You had a hard time a couple years ago, layoffs, social unrest, pivot away from that more crowdsourced and D2C approach. You came from Cole Haan and sort of had that background in mature retail. Tell me about TikTok's role in propelling this latest phase of Glossier You's success and what you're learning from it.
Yeah, well, I think one of the things I'm so proud of that I think we've seen in this brand is the resilience and longevity. To have a non-celebrity-driven beauty brand be 10 years in and to show the power and the momentum of this brand shows incredible resilience and incredible longevity for our brand. And I think what gives brands, we talk often that we're at year 10 of building a 100-year brand. And I've been lucky to be a part of brands that have had that decade-long trajectory, and they share a few things. They are multi-generational, and we see that in Glossier. We launched of the millennial generation. Now we resonate deeply with Gen Z, and I'll talk about TikTok and how that relates to that, and now Gen Alpha in our stores. So we have that multi-generational connectivity because we connect on a deep emotional level with our consumers on a very values-based way. And I think that's why you see people lining outside the block for Glossier store openings. When we opened our Soho store, we had consumers lined up at 1 a.m. outside for a 10 a.m. opening in February in New York City. So there's that incredible emotional connection to this brand, to consumers wearing the sweatshirt of the beauty brand, to now participating in our fragrance. So for us, that gives that longevity and resilience that this brand has shown over 10 years. And we saw that, and we've continued to build on that by saying our brand will endure, our values are true, and we'll continue to build upon that connectivity. But we needed to evolve. So we evolved our business model, and we evolved our strategy. The marketplace is dynamic. Consumers are changing very rapidly. We need to continue to evolve our business model to meet our customer where they were. So that led to opening in Sephora and really bringing more Glossier to more people, replatforming our tech stack and our website to Shopify to give us a scalable platform for growth, and opening up retail stores that are profitable for us, but also these experience centers. So we allowed us to evolve our strategy while still being very true to the tenets of Glossier's brand, which is about you look good and about beauty in everyday life. And those values are enduring.
Yeah.
And staying true to some of our social connectivity in places like we were born on Instagram, and now we've moved to TikTok, and we continue to see that virality and that connection with our community that was core to Glossier at the beginning and continues to be very true to how we connect with our consumers.